In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add lists in Microsoft Forms. This process will help you create organized and interactive forms for surveys, quizzes, or feedback. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped to enhance your forms effectively. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You will see a list of results that may include various links. It is important to locate the official Microsoft Forms website. This ensures you are using the correct platform. Once you find it, click on the link to proceed. You might notice the interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. This is crucial for creating your forms efficiently. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. You may need to verify your identity through a security prompt. This step is essential to keep your forms secure and personalized. After logging in, you will gain access to your Forms dashboard. This dashboard is where all your previous forms are stored, allowing you to manage them easily. Now open your form. If you have existing forms, locate the one you wish to edit. Click on it to open the editing interface. You will see your form's current structure and any questions you have already set up. This is a critical moment because you will soon be adding new content to enhance your form. Having your form open makes it easy to visualize the changes you will be implementing. Next up, click on the Add New button. This button is typically located at the top of your form. Clicking it will open a menu of question types you can choose from. This action allows you to add a new question to your form. It is a straightforward step that sets the stage for further customization. You will see the options appear immediately, giving you a clear path to add new content. Choose Choice as your question type. This option allows you to create a list format where respondents can select one or more answers. Selecting this type is important because it offers clarity and simplicity for your respondents. They will find it easier to engage with your form. Once chosen, the question interface will adjust to accommodate your selection. Type your question, then click Add option to enter your list items. Begin by phrasing your question clearly so respondents understand what you are asking. After that, clicking Add option will enable you to input each item on your list. This step is crucial for ensuring that your question is comprehensive and covers all possible answers. You can add as many options as needed, allowing for flexibility in responses. Next, click the three dots in the bottom right corner of that question card. This icon represents additional settings and options for your question. By clicking here, you will reveal a menu with further customization tools. This little step is important because it allows you to refine how the question appears and functions. You will have more control over the format of your question. Finally, select drop-down from the menu. Your options will collapse into a neat, scrollable list for respondents. This feature is especially useful for longer lists as it keeps your form tidy and organized. Respondents can easily scroll through the options without feeling overwhelmed. This enhances the user experience, making it more likely that they will complete your form. With these steps complete, you have successfully added a list in Microsoft Forms. Your form is now more interactive and user-friendly, ready to gather valuable responses. Thank you for following along, and happy form building.